Yo, what's cooking? Definitely not something nice. Meet the Zombie Chef, your new favorite kitchen nightmare. Low poly style, high poly threat. 16,000 vertices of pure hungry attitude. Under the hood, a solid UE4 skeleton. Retarget any UE4 mannequin animation with ease. He comes loaded. Idle, walk, run, jump, and a brutal attack with his signature kitchen cleaver. But this ain't just a mindless husk. Blendshapes give him personality. Hungry glares, nasty smirks, the whole menu. And his style? Fully yours. Swap his clothes, change his colors, make his eyes glow red, green, or ice-cold blue. Customize the drip to match your game's vibe. He's modular, he's mean, and he's ready to serve. The Zombie Chef is on duty. Bon appetit.